Want to start using the Sora AI video app, but not sure how? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to download and install the Sora app from OpenAI. Note that Sora is currently only available on iOS at the time we're creating this video, but we hope to see it available on other devices soon. Now let's get started. To download Sora, first open the App Store. Go to the Search tab. Then type in Sora in the search bar. Tap Sora when it appears in the search results. Then tap Get. If prompted, use Face ID or enter your password to confirm that you want to download the app. Wait for the installation to complete. Then tap Open to start using the Sora app. That's all it takes to download Sora. Want to try out OpenAI's other famous app, ChatGPT? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.